Hello everyone. So in today's video, we are going to discuss about the changes that occur in the DNA sequences during a mutation. So again, with the same example, I will try to tell you what all mutations can occur in a DNA sequence. So if this is a DNA sequence and let's say that this particular light is pyrimidine or purine base, that is, let's say it's A, and its complementary strand means this one, the another strand that you can see is having the T complementary to it, that is A pairing with T, and there is another sequence that is G pairing with C, and there is another sequence that is again A pairing with T. So I'm having, let's say, three sequences in my DNA: A, T, GC, and again AT. Now coming on to the one strand of it, that is having A, G and A, suddenly because of certain reasons that can be physical, that can be chemical, that we will discuss in another video, this GC base get deleted, and because of this deletion now I am having a sequence that is only having this much portion of DNA, one only having A base, another directly not having this G as it got deleted, directly having the another A. So now because of this deletion of particular sequence in the DNA strand, there is going to be a lot of changes in the protein formation and in further processes, and that may lead to some changes that can be visible to us or that cannot be visible to us. So this kind of mutation that we have discussed just now is called as deletion mutation, the deletion of a particular nucleotide base from a DNA sequence. Another example of the same is, or another type of the DNA sequence mutation or DNA mutation is, for example, I am having again the same sequences AT, GC and AT, and suddenly another gene came in between it, and now the DNA sequence can be read as AT, GC, again GC and AT. So earlier the sequence was AGC but AGA, but now because of this addition of one more DNA nucleotide base, now it can be read as AGGA. Such changes will be termed as insertional mutation. Means because of the insertion of one nucleotide base, now the sequence can be read in a different manner, and that may also lead to change in the frame and change in the protein formation and other processes. The another change that can occur is, again the same sequence is there, A, G, A, and instead of this G got mutated with another, let's say A. So this kind of mutation is substitution, and because of that now I am having a sequence which was earlier AGA, now it is AAA. This will also lead to some problem in the formation of the protein and further processes. So these are the basic three types of genetic, or you can say DNA mutation, that is occurring inside everyone's body, which may be visible to us or which may not be visible to us. That was all about the mutation in the DNA sequences. In my next video, I will discuss about mutation in the chromosomal structures and their types. So keep watching. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel.